how to use Roblox Studio. If you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now it's very simple to go ahead and do this, and this is going to be used to make games. So whenever you download Roblox Player, Roblox Studio is actually automatically going to be downloaded alongside it. You can't really have one without the other. And then once you open it, it's going to look something like this. The first time you open it, it might take a bit longer to open, but then you're going to see different templates. If you're trying to make something, you can even learn and, open up tutorials as well, which I would definitely recommend. And then let's just say I want to open up a recent experience. Go ahead and open it up like so. It's going to be setting up the server and connecting the server for you. And at this point, there's going to be so many different tools that you can use. There's a creator store where you can get assets to include into your game. There's an AI assistant where you can tell it different things to do and it's going to make things for you. And if I wanted to go ahead and make something, I could basically just go ahead and easily do it. Of course, with all these different things, depending on the complexity and how much you're going to be able to do a lot with this tool.